everybody, welcome. Now we're on this again today. Yes, school dinners. We all know the score by now, don't we? We roll the wheel, see what it is. Go to the shop, get the ingredients and cook it. So, let's get to the wheel. So you all know the score, don't you? Do it as if it's live, so there's no cheating. Get it down. See that? You can see that, can't you? Let's give it a spin. What's it going to be? What's it going to be? Let's have a look. Something nice, something nice. Something we ain't done for ages. Ah, no. My worst one. Macaroni cheese. I bloody hate macaroni cheese. But, gotta be done. Ah. Jesus, don't think that's going to try this one. Anyway, off to the shop. Right, I'm back from the shop. Now, I've got a problem. It says, you can see that in here. 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. I've been to 3 different shops and I can't get it at all. It's the only seasoning they ain't got anywhere. So I'm going to have to use just normal teaspoon of normal mustard. Nothing else I can do. No, I mean, they ain't really going to bother me because I don't like all this stuff anyway. I've got a pot of water boiling, ready to do the macaroni. So while that's boiling, I did say, I said, I don't think I said it online, what I'm going to do on a 3,000, every 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give his channel a shout out. I had it happen to me, so every 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give a channel a shout out, a small channel. Now I'm going to give 2 this time. These 2 lads, they've been following me from virtually the beginning. So I'm going to give them a shout out. And if you want to go and look, they're both food reviewers. If you want to go and look, I'll leave a link in the description for them. The first one is The Wanderer Travel Vlogs. Absolutely brilliant. He goes around all different pubs, takeaways, restaurants, Chinese, Indians. He goes around all that. He's been doing about the same time as me. I think he's about 2,500 subscribers at the minute, and he's a really nice bloke. So if you fancy go and have a look at him, I'll leave a link. He's absolutely brilliant. And he's going to start travelling the country when he gets a few more subscribers, which will be interesting. And the world, he said, as well. So which will be interesting as well. So I'll leave a link to him. Go and give him a look if you do like what you see. Give him a subscribe, tell him I sent you. And then the second one is Pecky's Food Corner, John. He's a superb bloke. He says to me, I think I was on probably 100 subscribers or something. He says to me, I'm going to blow up. And I just laughed at him. And he says, watch, he says, next month you're going to be on 3,000 and here I am. You know, so I'll leave a link to John's Pecky's Food Corner as well. Go and give him a subscribe, tell him I sent you. So, the great blokes, both food reviewers, do different things. So if something you're interested in, go and give them a look. And thank you. So now the water's just boiled, so let me show you what we're going to do. Follow the instructions as usual. Right, that water's about boiled now. So, first things to do, it says, cook the macaroni as directed on the packet and drain well. I have had a look. It says 11 to 13 minutes, I think, somewhere. Better put my glasses on to see that. Yeah, 11 to 13 minutes. 250 grams, 400 gram bag. So I'm going to put half of it in. So we'll do that first. Can't do much till that's done, really. Watch I don't burn my bloody fingers, because you know what I'm like. There's my scar, look, it's still there. See if I can open this. Oh, no, ripped all the bag, look. Right, half a packet of this. Yeah, a touch more. Yeah, that's about half a pack there. So let's give it a stir. Get my spoon. Cover and cook for 11 to 13 minutes, then drain. So we'll do that. We can't do much till that's done. Right, while that's cooking, it's got about 5 minutes left, that macaroni there. It says melt the butter in a saucepan. Can you see that? Add the flour and stir well to form a roux. I think a roux is a paste, isn't it? I don't know. And season with black pepper. Add the mustard powder, which ain't got, so you have to be mustard. Stir over low heat for 1 minute. Right, we'll do that. So we'll add in the butter. Melt the butter. Get that in. Right, butter's melted. Now add the flour in size. And stir to form a roux. Is it a roux? I don't know. A paste, I'm going to say. I've never heard the word roux before. Now what's else it say now? Season with black pepper. Season with black pepper. And add the mustard powder. Well, it'll have to be mustard. I don't know if mustard will work. I don't think I've ever cooked macaroni cheese because I don't like it. So that's on a very low heat, that is. So it doesn't burn. That's made a paste, isn't it? That's good enough, I think. Right, the macaroni should be done. Check out, yeah, that's done. I'm going to drain that off, like it says. I'm going to leave that there just to drain. Now it says, it's the roux mix. Add the milk a little at a time, working well with the whisk. If you add the milk too quickly, a mixture will curdle. So keep going slowly with the milk. A little at a time. What do I mean by a little? About that much? I don't know. I'm just putting the last drop of milk in now. It hasn't seemed to curdle. Then it says, little at a time, keep whisking. Once the milk is all incorporated, bring the mixture to the boil, stirring all the time. Then add the cheese. So bring to the boil now. Well, I've just started thickening up and that now and boiling a bit, so I'm going to add the cheese in now. 250 gram it says, so let's get it in. I'm making a mess, I know that much. Get it in. Got about half a pack, let me have a look. No, a bit more. Oh, I don't like the look of this. There we go. Then it says, what's it say then? Add the cheese, stir for another minute. Oh, he's turning into some sort of thingy. Horrible thing. Oh, don't like the look of that, to be fair. Right, that's had a minute. Now the macaroni, get it in there. It's gone all hard now, look. Just like school, I suppose. And give it a mix together. Ooh, this doesn't look very nice at all. I don't think I've done this right. Oh, that stinks, man. That stinks. I hate mac and cheese, man. That doesn't look right, does it? It looks a bit gloopy. Would be a bit smoother than that, to be fair. I mean, no matter how it tastes for me anyway, I'm not going to like it, so I ain't bothered. There, done. It looks disgusting. Look at that. That looks terrible, man. Anyway, there we go. Let's dish it up then. Right, I'm going to pour it all into this pot here. I don't think this is right, man. Is that how mac and cheese is supposed to look like? So I haven't had it for years. I suppose it does, doesn't it? I suppose it does, doesn't it? Looks all sick to me, man. There it is. School mac and cheese. Mmm. And I've followed the instructions as it says. There, I mean, it says you can put it in a oven as well if you want to brown it up. But I ain't doing that because I ain't going to like it either way. So, let's give it a taste test. I mean, it smells very cheesy, to be fair. But I don't like it, so I'm not going to like this. It looks like it has curdled a little bit for me. Was that what it's supposed to look like? I don't know. Mmm, lovely. Lovely. Oh, God. I hate doing things I don't like. Oh, it's too much cheese for me. Too much cheese. Go on, I wouldn't have had that. Everyone's on my best you say no. Now, do you want some of this mac and cheese? No, I don't like it either. Let's try some. Oh, she's coming. She's coming. Get you a fork, Bab. Tell me what you think. Oh, she doesn't fall out of the wires. Looks nice, doesn't it? Looks sick, doesn't it?
Oh, no, don't. Oh, no, I've said that.
Go on, just get your fork in and have a go. Don't be shy.
It's all lumpy.
It's the cheese. I don't know, I've never cooked mac and cheese, I won't, but I don't know. Go on, stick it in your cup. Is it nice? That's exactly the same as me. It's vile, Eddie. It's vile. I don't like it at all. Yes, I even like it, I don't know. Well, I followed the instructions there, but I might have curdled the milk a bit. But I was waiting for it to boil like it says, so I don't know. But no, we don't like it. We can't stand it, can we?
At least that one's out mine, isn't it?
So that's done now, yeah. That's the one I was regretting.
I was regretting that one.
So there we go.
It's nice.
You like it? Try it. If not, don't. I think it's disgusting. But anyway, as I say, if you do like content like this, apart from mac and cheese, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Oh, and that video I uploaded earlier, that's just basically for me. You ain't got to watch it, and don't worry about, oh, it's a food channel. That's to give me motivation. Okay, so that's just so I know I've got to do it. So thank you for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.